What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to open the hood on a 2017 to 2023 BMW X3. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is very simple. All you want to do is go to the driver's side door, and down in the footwell you will find your hood release. As you can see, you can see this little 2X and then a logo of the hood open on a car. You want to pull it once, you can hear your hood pop open, and then you want to pull it a second time to unlock. Okay, once you do that, this should just open right up, and it has assisted struts, and you can go ahead and do whatever you need to do. Well guys, that's all there is to it. Super easy, super simple. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing. And with that all out of the way, I will see you all next video. Take care, bye.